Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Avenli Inflatable Swimming Pool with Filter Pump. Avenli swimming pools above ground can bring you hours of family fun, allowing you to enjoy the hot summer weather in the cool water. Just inflate the top ring and fill it with water, because the pool wall will rise as the water rises. The inflatable swimming pool has excellent stability with a repair kit, can be connected to the filter pump with a drain valve, easy to empty, easy to set up system, can be installed quickly and easily. It's tear resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. Product benefits. The bottom is made of a sturdy 3-layer material, including 2 sturdy PVC outer layers, and a polyester grid is added between the PVC, protected from exposure to sunlight, anti-freeze cracking, and anti-tear. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.